Hello there, this is Mark with TTS Tutorials. Today we're going to be talking about temporary emails. This is a little website I like to use called TempMail.org, and what it does is it generates a temporary email that you can use until you leave this page for if ever you needed to sign up to a website and it asks for your email and you don't want to give your actual information out there, your personal email, anything like that. You just needed to put your email into, because there was a post of that you wanted to see, something like that. Let's just test this out just to show you how it works. So here is Hacker Newsletter. I thought this would be a cool website to show you guys too. So right here they have a subscription if you put your email. So we're going to test this out. So how this works is you go to this link, which I'm going to put in the description, and this will be your email right here. And then you can copy it to your clipboard and you can paste it wherever you need to paste it. So right click paste, and then you can subscribe. Okay, so that looks like it worked. So we'll go here, and then if you scroll down, you'll see you have an inbox. And right here, you'll see Hacker Newsletter. So you can see it works. And if you click on it, you're going to see there's your email. And you can confirm anything that was sent to you or anything like that. And yeah, so this is basically to keep you safe, to not put your actual information out there. If you need a disposable email address, if you're sending to some, this is only for receiving though, not for sending. Just keep that in mind. Anyways, hope you guys had fun. Check out the description for more information on this video, and have a good one. See you later.